This is my 81st video. The topic is fortified rice. What is this fortified rice? Nowadays we are just hearing this system, this word in the newspapers, and there is a plan in the government and the private or public sectors to come with the fortified rice in the to market the fortified rice for the people. What is this fortified rice? Let us have a small discussion about this fortified rice. We know it's ours is an agrarian country, agrarian economy, wherein people in the village and also in the urban areas, cities, they take more of rice, and mostly people depend on the rice every day for their life to lead their life. For their bread, they depend on the rice only, and therefore we harvest paddy in our fields, and we produce more of rice all over India. And what is this fortified rice? Of course, we use rice for cooking, and we eat rice 2 times a day or a one time meal. Sometimes some people take one time meal, they use rice, and 3 times also some people are there, labor, they take 3 times rice. Rice meals with 3 times a day. Of course, it is also one of the reasons because the rice, not as in the case of olden days where unpolished rice they used to eat, unpolished rice, brown rice we call it. But no, today nobody is using brown rice, unpolished rice. Everybody from, all cadres of the society, all categories of the society, people use very highly polished rice. They purchase the polished rice in the shops, they eat, they cook and eat. And the polished rice see, the outer layer is removed, during milling, the outer layer of the rice is removed. And because the outer layer of the rice epilayer contains vitamins and minerals, essential ingredients which are required for healthy life of the human being, and they are removed through milling, and only polished rice are sold, which do not have sufficient quantity of minerals or vitamins. They are simply only starch they have, maybe amylose or amylopectin they have, and people simply cook with water and eat. So it leaves only carbohydrate in the body, starch in the body, which can be assimilated and enters into the blood system, whereby it is converted to glucose. Excess glucose will disturb the system, bloodstream, and also it will disturb the whole biochemistry of the system, human beings, physiology of the system. Sometimes in some people, I would say about 15% in India, and 10% in the world, we can say, it results in the development of diabetes mellitus. We call it as sugar disease, sugar disorder, and excess sugar in the bloodstream, which cannot be assimilated, which cannot be taken by the cellular systems, because sufficient insulin is not secreted by the beta Langerhans cells in the pancreas, resulting in the accumulation of excess glucose in the bloodstream, in the cellular systems, outside the cellular system, in bloodstream, resulting in the disturbance in the biochemistry, physiology of the human beings, resulting in the diabetes mellitus and other so many consequently many complications after due to diabetes. Now, that is the reason why researchers in the field of science and also medicine, they have decided to make a change in the rice, that is the system of rice being supplied to the people by what we call fortification. Fortification means, first what they do, nowadays many industrialists, they are establishing industries to produce fortified rice. What is fortified rice? What is this processing? Fortified rice means the rice will have sufficient quantity of required vitamins and required minerals for the health of the human beings. See, beautiful system, beautiful process. One should encourage. That means the rice is powdered completely and mixed with required vitamins for the health of human beings, which are needed for good health of the human beings, biochemistry of the human beings, physiology of the human beings, physiological process of the human beings. Vitamins are added and important mineral salts added to this powder, the rice powder, and then after mixing with the essential important required vitamins and minerals to the rice powder, then it is made into a paste with water. Then again it is through mechanical, the machinery process, the paste, the fortified, this is called fortified paste, enriched with vitamins and minerals. That rice paste enriched with vitamins and minerals is molded into beautiful rice particles like original rice, so which can be eaten, cooked and eaten to give a healthy life in respect of human beings. This is the idea, a new innovative idea being brought by the scientists, researchers in the field of medicine and agriculture, food scientists, and agriculture scientists, and also scientists in the arena of science and technology. They have brought this innovative novel idea and going through process of making fortified rice by establishing industries in our country. It's really a welcome sign. Every member of this society should encourage this kind of process of making fortified rice from this unwanted highly polished rice. So we should encourage the industrialists and we should encourage marketing. We ourselves should go for the purchase of these fortified rice in future to keep up good health. Dear viewers, if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much, dear viewers.